Well, happening today in Cass County, Kyler Eustace double murder trial reaches its final days. KBC9's Matt Evans has been following the story all week, and Matt, now the defense has a few more witnesses to call today. Good morning.
Good morning to you, Rob. Yes, the defense will continue to build its case today, trying to prove that their client, Kyler Eustace, is not guilty in the murders of Jessica Runyons and Kara Kopetsky here at the Cass County Courthouse in Harrisonville, Missouri. More problems plagued the defense team yesterday, more witness issues. Several witnesses were excluded from the court, and jurors had to wait hours outside the courtroom to hear some of that witness testimony. According to yesterday's courts, 13 witnesses were called to the stand by the defense team. However, jurors only heard from 8 of them. Judge William Collins, who's presiding over this case, ruled that testimony from 5 witnesses would not be admitted due to reliability or relevance issues. Jurors did hear from one of the defense's main witnesses, a former Washington, D.C. homicide detective hired by the defense to review police investigations of the Kopetsky and Runyons cases. James Trenum tried to highlight issues with cases like police not doing enough to corroborate Eustace's alibi and didn't look hard enough at other suspects. But prosecutors also got Trenum to admit that Eustace was the primary suspect in his opinion in the deaths of both girls based on evidence. The defense will be calling their final witnesses today. If that testimony doesn't take too long, we could roll right into closing arguments today. The judge earlier on this week said he'd like to hear those closing arguments by Thursday of this week. So we also are waiting to see and hear if we will hear from Kyler Eustace on the stand today. The judge reiterated earlier on this week, Eustace still has the right to take the stand in his own defense. He also has the right to choose to not take the stand, but today would be his final chance to make that decision. What is clear is that the jury will likely be getting this case and beginning deliberations at some point by the end of this week. We're live in Harrisonville this morning. Matt Evans, KBC 9 News.
Matt, thanks so much. And to follow along with the case, go to KMBC.com. There you'll see updates from our team in the courtroom as they happen.